Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I am super excited today. I'll tell you why. See this little awesome Verkar Sazabi? He is so cool. But you know what is cooler than him, no offense, is the metal structure Sazabi. Now, we have managed to score a very limited amount of these, and we will be raffling off the opportunity to purchase one of the very small number that we have. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. So if you want to get into this raffle and have the opportunity of a lifetime to purchase one of the coolest Gundam-related products in existence, all you need to do is follow the link below, enter your email, subscribe to our newsletter to keep updated, and you will be in the opportunity, the select few, to get one of those awesome Sazabis. Guys, you have to do this. Opportunity of a lifetime. Go for it.